Hello, my friends in India. This is episode number 3, and today we are going to talk about how to develop a skill set or what exactly the medical billing companies in United States are looking to see in you when we want to generate certain outcomes. And you have to understand one thing very clearly. If you are an employee of a BPO company or if you're an employee of a medical billing company, just like us, you have to start focusing on developing your skill set rather than the language or a software skills. So जब मैं ये बात करता हूँ कि आपको क्या चीज़ सीखने की ज़रूरत है, ये बहुत important है कि आप समझें there is a difference between learning a software skill and learning a process related to medical billing. So once you understand the difference between a process and a software, you would clearly start making a progress towards generating the optimum outcome for your BPO company. So we are going to touch upon that today. And the first thing I would like you to just see from this perspective, when you enter into a medical BPO call center or when you go to a training process, if your supervisor or your trainer is focusing on certain aspect of the software, certain aspect of the language, your focus should be learning the skill set of medical billing rather than learning the software. So जब मैं ये आपको बता रहा हूँ कि why you should not be learning a software first, you should be learning the skill set first. So the difference is I'm just guessing you do not have any medical background or you do not have any medical billing and coding background. Most people do not. You are a graduate coming out of college. You have a very good skill set of a language or a basic skill set of English language, let's say, but you have a very good skill set or a knowledge background being a graduate. So number one, you should be very proud that you are a graduate and you are going to learn some new skill set with the background of healthcare BPO. And when you focus on that, all you have to do is first few days during your orientation in any company, no matter what company do you work for or what process do you work for, try to focus on the fundamental learning of that skill set. And when I say skill set is, like in my last episode, you saw those 33 fields on CMS 1500 form I showed you. If you would be able to focus on each field and understand the importance of that field, why the first name is written like this, why the last name is written like this, why the address goes into particular one column, what is NPI, how many types of NPIs goes on BOC in that form, what is the difference between tax ID and NPI, what is the difference between a Medicare ID and an NPI, why Medicare ID is not required these days on a CMS 1500 form. जब आप ये सब चीज़ें सीखेंगे तो no matter what software do you use, whether you use Advanced MD, you use eClinical Works, you use any kind of software under the radar, you would be able to do a fantastic job as a medical biller. So मैं आपको दोबारा ये बात हिंदी में समझाना चाहूँगा क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो हमारी हिंदी की ऑडियंस है. उन लोगों के लिए एक बात समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में ग्रेजुएशन आपने किया है, चाहे हिंदी में किया है, किसी और लैंग्वेज में किया है, इंग्लिश में किया है, मन में ये फीलिंग मत लाइए कि अगर आपको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है या इंग्लिश नहीं आती है तो आपको कॉल सेंटर का जॉब नहीं मिल सकता या बीपीओ में जॉब नहीं मिल सकता. कॉल सेंटर में 70% काम जो होता है वो स्किल सेट को याद रखने का होता है, प्रोसेस को याद रखने का होता है कि आपको वो कला आती है कि नहीं जिसके थ्रू मेडिकल बिलिंग की जाती है. आपको वहाँ पे अंग्रेजी सीखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको वो मेडिकल बिलिंग और कोडिंग की आर्ट कला आनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो अगर आपका फोकस उसमें रहेगा तो 70 to 80% काम जो है आप खुद अपने से, all you need is just the functional English knowledge. Functional English knowledge ये होती है आपको पढ़ना आना चाहिए, लिखना आना चाहिए, चीज़ों को समझना आना चाहिए और being a graduate आप समझेंगे. तो ये बात तो हुई जब आपने how you can develop a skill set of medical billing and coding. नाउ एक बार आपने वो कला समझ ली और ये समझ लिया कि all those 33 forms in a CMS 15 form is very important, then आपको ये समझने की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि how to process these claims. What is the process of sending those claims digitally from insurance company to clearinghouse, from clearinghouse to payer. Remember in the episode 1 I explained you how the relationship between 3 P's work: provider, patient and payer. पेशेंट ने अपना काम नहीं किया, पेयर ने प्रोवाइडर ने अपना काम नहीं किया, तो पेयर भी अपना काम नहीं करेगा. So all these three people, 3 P's have to be linked through CMS 1500 form. So it is very important to develop the skill set, focus on that, and then you start focusing on the software. So आज हम सिर्फ इतनी ही बात करेंगे. For the next episode, have a wonderful day.